Hello traders, this is my MQL5 EA program that was written a few months back. As you can read, this EA interfaces with the SQL database, SQLite database that also get populated from my GUI program. And the GUI lets the table know when to take trades, when to close trades, and when to update and things like that. So to begin, it checks for a new bar, and if a new bar happens, then I update my candles table with new candle data. After which I go through and I check to see, I check to see if any trades should be closed, like close all, or if any trade should be closed. If it does, then I go ahead and close it out and remove the data that's supposed to be out of the table. Then if by chance a closed ticket by a ticket ID comes in, then I find out where that ticket is, and then I close it out and delete the information out of that table. I also then check to see if I need to take some trades, whether it be buy, sell, and the lot count and such, and then delete the data out of that table. Next, I preset some data that's going to be used in my GUI table, and then I check the market to see if some orders need to be removed, and if so, it will get removed. And then I calculate all of my history that's stored in the histories table, and then store them in the data, and then I take all of the data that the GUI needs for displaying and put it in that table. And then of course I update the stores candle if there is a new bar. And that's, in a sense, the EA.